Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's another month, so we're going to be doing my Legion secret review and my results also for the month of January. It's 2025, guys. If you're interested in knowing if my Legion secret is right for you and checking out this review, then let me hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. If you are coming back or if you are here for the first time, I also want to welcome you. You're here. My aim of this channel is to provide every single week tips that you can actually take and use and apply in your affiliate marketing journey. Now, I have been following a specific strategy for the last almost 2 years now. I think I started in February 2 years ago, so it's been already 2 years that I've applied this strategy, and it has been working phenomenally for me personally. So I want to share with you, and one of the reasons or one of the ways that I go about doing it is I create a funded proposal using a very simple and easy tool or a resource called My Legion Secrets, which the aim is to provide you 100 to 200 leads every single day. Now, I will say that the product itself is this and nothing else. And we as marketers as a whole, specifically email marketing, because we're going to be using that is what makes the difference when you get a sale or conversion or not. It really depends on the skill sets we use. So how are we writing the emails? Are we writing good introductions or subjects? Are we writing good content in our email? Is it relatable enough? There are all these aspects that exist in as a marketer, which we should be learning. And if we don't know, we take these small steps every single month to get better and better at it. Okay, so for example, let's say just subjects. You have to find the right kind of subjects for you that you resonate with, and you're able to also apply those subjects in your emails and get results from them. If you're not getting results from them, then it's pointless to do it that way, right? So you have to feel good with what you write, and at the same time it then converts. That's the whole purpose. That's the whole purpose of the marketing itself. Okay, so that those are the kind of elements that I personally look at. I try to be myself the most via my email marketing. Then I just basically send it to an offer, and that offer then makes a sale. So it's step one that I'm talking about, and on Mondays usually I talk about that. So this is why I want to share it with you. It's called a funded proposal. Basically, I'm leveraging a source to be able to create a fund for myself that I use for paid advertising. That's pretty much it. This is the strategy. And today I'm just going to share with you my monthly results. So I've been documenting my monthly results for the last 2 years itself. And you guys can find in the description of this video actually a playlist that has all of it if you need training on any topic. If you guys have a topic that you want training on, then please do let me know. And let's jump into it and see the training itself. So I already gave you guys an idea what my Legion secret is. It basically gives you 100 to 200 business opportunity leads that you can email every single day. Costs you $60 the first month and then $30 every single month after that. I personally am also an affiliate of my Legion secret, which is why I have my link in the description of this video. But I also use this product very actively. My aim is not to get people to join it, but because it's one of the sources that I do use as to be an affiliate, I'm going to share with you my affiliate commissions in my Legion secret, my commissions in Warrior Plus, which is where I send people to from my Legion secrets, usually to Warrior Plus. I have two accounts with my Legion secret. So one of them is I send it to Warrior Plus, and the other one goes to ClickBank. These are the two ones that I mainly use as a network. And then on the back end, I send it to a system that I regularly use called OLSP. And I send it to a specific offer, that a challenge offer that I use with OLSP, because it makes sense for the leads of my Legion secrets, because people want to get unstuck with affiliate marketing. This is the best way, in my opinion, to do it. So I share this option to them, and getting that also sales. So these are the three places that I'm basically earning income from with my Legion secret. So I take my Legion secret, I send out an email every day to either an offer on Warrior Plus, either an offer on ClickBank or OLSP. Simply put, those are the three places I go to. And let me just jump into each one. Let's log into my Legion secret and share with you some more of the results. I don't know if you can hear that, guys. The alarm of a car just went out in the back. But anyway, let me get into this video. So let's go ahead and show you guys my affiliate section. This is how my Legion secret is. As you guys can see, send out an email every single day. Pretty much a good open rate to anywhere between 15 to 20% is what my usual open rate is. and it's going really well. I'm really happy with the progress. Let's go ahead and actually look at the affiliates. So you can see that I have a total downline of 7 members right now, and each of the time that I have active member, I basically get $5 commissions. Okay, those are the amount. So here we have it, and let's just count for January how much I made. Okay, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Literally 25. So there have been, I believe, yeah, so I guess this affiliate right here, which was on the 20th of December, did not continue, I believe, also in this month of January. So maybe for that reason there's a bit of a discrepancy, but I'm gonna reach out to actually my Legion secret support, because it doesn't make sense that I got only 5 commissions and I should have got 7 commissions totally. So I will check with them for sure, but that means, let me just put it as, this is how I got paid any which way. So 5 into 5, which is 25, right? And now we'll just log into Warrior Plus so that you guys can see more. All right, so I'm here in Warrior Plus, and let me just close this on my agent secrets. We already, made sure how much we're getting, because I can see my video lagging a little bit. But we're here in Warrior Plus, and what we're gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna go to first and foremost sales report, because I want you guys to see kind of how this journey has been going for me for the last few, even for all the 2 years. Okay, so say I got started in, let me go put January, and I will put January 2023, so you guys can actually see the difference, right? So if I go 2023 till February 2025, which is when I'm shooting this video. Oh, maximum 24 months. Okay, perfect. So we go, got it. We go February 2023 to February. This is 24 months. This is 2 years. I had to go March. It's okay. It's fine, because my first payment, got my first commission actually positive month was in March. But you guys can see in March I made $98, and then this is the average amount, right? So you can see sometimes it's higher. This last few months has been a bit lower because I changed a few things. So there was a little bit of a difficulty to get into above, let's say the last couple of months, above $250, which is, I don't know whether this month is going to be the different, but I think it will be. I have been seeing why, and I've also been noticing why. This is the main reasons why I'm looking at it. I'm actually applying new emails to a whole set, so it is taking time for me to get more results, but I believe this is going to change definitely over the next few months. And then I'll just repeat the same email, so I start to get more sales also and get my earnings up. But this is kind of how it is on Warrior Plus. So let's go to transaction and just see in the month of January how much I have made. Okay, so last month, which is January, and we put go, and then we will just add the tracking code here, MLGS search, and you will see that I made a total of $197.75 in commissions, which is low for me personally, but that's fine. I did try a different offer, and so I got only one sale in it, as you can see. That's absolutely fine. I just want to add this here, so we will do 25 plus 187.75. But remember, we go through everything, right? And then let me log into ClickBank, which is the second place I use for my affiliate commissions. All right, guys, so here I am in my ClickBank, and very quickly I would just select the month of January, and as you can see, it has been a good month. You can see the sales in the beginning of the month were not that consistent, and then mid-month onwards, so the last 2-3 weeks has been really good when it comes to sales. And in fact, if I scroll down, you'll see that I earned about $182.41, guys, in commissions. This is earnings for the month of January. That is from also ClickBank. So we're going to go through all of it. And just to give you guys an understanding on ClickBank, I use a few products. So what I was doing in the last 3 months of the year is I was using one product for 3 months, and I was getting really good results. But the last month I got amazing results actually from another product. So what I'm doing now is I have 2 winning products, which I know make sense and which also bring recurring income. So that means month after month. And what I'm doing is I'm alternating them month after month. So this month in February, I'm going back to the offer that I had. And then next month, I will go to the offer that I was sharing in January that has been converting really well. And I'll show you guys. and so on and so forth. So keep doing this where I can start to accumulate more recurring income and also people overlapping for the long term. So for example, right now it's, I made 182. The aim is for the next month to get at least up to 200, so have that initial $200 per month, and then get to 250, 300, for so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the whole purpose behind it. Let me just go to the reporting and show you guys how many new sales I made and how many recurring sales I made in the month of January. Okay, so if you go to January and I apply just January, okay, remember this is just January results, you'll see that I made 7 initial sales, and all those 7 initial sales, guys, came in from WirexApp reviews, if you guys want to know. Okay, so those are the 7 sales, and I got 5 recurring sales from the previous month. So overall I sent 2,000 clicks, and I got conversions of a conversion rate about 20%. And you can see right here, the 7 initial sales plus 5. Okay, so that's around totally, what is it, 12 total sales for the month of January from ClickBank itself. And I hope this stays. Okay, so if I get, for example, in the month of February, these 5 recurring sales continue and the 7 sales, so that's already 182, and I aim to make another 4 to 5 sales, that's above 200 that I could get for the month of February. Now, realistically, some people will drop off. It's normal. Not everybody's going to stay on, right? And there's not going to be always recurring sales. So you have to keep making those new sales, but it becomes less in quantity because of this factor that exists. Okay, so in the last few months I haven't got the same result. Okay, there has been either the same amount of sales, but this is the first month that I've got more initial sales and less, and also quite a decent amount of recurring sales. So I believe that February is going to be quite profitable for me when it comes to ClickBank. And I want the same to be for Warrior Plus. So it's going to be an extra effort from my side with Warrior Plus. Let's just go to OLSP and see how much we did. As you guys can see right here, I just had to cover some details, but you can see that I've been making one. So I send this 24-hour dollar challenge to leads in my Legion Secret. Okay, and I've been getting conversions about 4 to 5 times, basically once a week. Okay, you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 sales in January, and all of them is 7. Okay, so just to be very super transparent and clear, 7 into 4 is 28. So we will basically add 28 here to the entire amount. Sorry, let's add 28 and we go. So this is the entire amount that I've earned for the month of January. As you guys have seen, and as I keep saying, this strategy that I'm applying, just the step one, is anywhere between $300 to $500 is what I've been earning on average every single month from all of it together. But let's just take this as an example. We have $423 minus, and I'm going to minus by 60 because I have 2 accounts. Remember, I have 2 accounts. So that's my all expenses, and you can see that the net profit is still $363.16. This is my monthly results for the month of January. If you need any help, if you want any guidance, there is a course in the description of this video related to this strategy. Otherwise, guys, I hope this journey makes sense for you. You guys like these videos. It's a monthly review and I'll try to get better at them for sure. I'm happy to get these videos out every single month for you specifically because at least you see the progress, and it's really up to you whether you start or don't start. The whole purpose of me is documenting my journey, and if you want to join along, great. I'm going to continue doing it. So I'm going to see you guys on the next video.